Hello guys, and welcome back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to data science. So today's class main topic will be setting up pandas in your PyCharm text editor. So basically, if you guys want to work with the pandas, it's pretty important to set it up first and install the plugin. It works pretty much the same way as we did with NumPy in the past part of the course. So this is exactly what we are going to do today. So pretty simple. The first thing that I'll ask you guys to do is simply opening up your PyCharm text editor. And then from this moment, you will go into your files and then in your settings. From this, when you guys are in your settings, what you want to do is simply look for your project. So in this case, I have my project Python 2. So I will just open it. When it's done, I will select project interpreter. So you guys will have project structure, but we want the project interpreter. Then the next thing will be simply adding pandas to our, to everything that is here. So to the packages. So we'll install the panda package. So pretty simple, simply write down pandas. And you can find it just there. So powerful data structure for data analysis, time series, and statistics. This is exactly what we need. So when you find that out, what you want to do is simply click on install package. So what's going to happen? PyCharm will simply install this package and you will be able to work with pandas for the next few classes. As you can see, it's here, it's written package installed successfully. So when you see this message, this means that everything is good. Then you can simply click on X. So as you can see here, I have my pandas that have been installed. So I just click on OK. Then if I want to import my pandas, it's pretty simple. How exactly can I import my pandas? For the next few projects, you guys will know it. So pretty much the same way as I import NumPy or any other package. So I need to write down import. Then what I want to import pandas as what? As in this case, pandas will be PD. So I want to import pandas as PD. And from this moment, I can write down all the codes that I want and use all pandas terminologies, and it's gonna work perfectly. So right now, you guys should have the panda package already installed on your PyCharm platform, on your PyCharm text editor, sorry. And from this moment, you guys will be able to start working with Python and pandas together. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class.